everyone, welcome to Ashram Vidyalaya. Students, in this video we will do the revision of our subject maths. We will do revision on the base of our blueprint which you have up. Now we start from our section A, then we are going on our section B. Okay, so about two sections in this video we will learn one by one. Students, your first section A is 3 main question. Solve the following, complete the pattern and find the hidden messages. These three are the main question of section A. Then after in a section B, there are 4 main questions. Figure out the rule for each and continue the pattern. Number patterns, how quick are you, and add the following. So these 4 are the main question of section B and these 3 are the main question of section A. Okay, so one by one we will find this all question in our workbook, notebook and assignment. Then we do the practice of this question. So let's start. First is solve the following. So students, these questions is available in your workbook on page number 82. Solve the following is so easy questions. It is the addition. Okay, so let's start with addition and subtraction one by one. Okay, look at here, 17 minus 3. So when we subtract 3 from 70 we get the answer 14. 7 and 3, so left 4. Okay, 7 और 3 है और माइनस है तो कितना होगा, subtraction 4, and here is a no end number, so 1 same to same. Here is a 14 plus 3, so when we add 3 into 14 we get the answer 17. Next is 39 minus 10. So when we subtract 10 from 39, 9 minus 0 is equal to 9 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So answer is 29. Next is 12 plus 24. So 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Answer is 36. Next is 86 minus 58. So 6 minus 8 is not possible, so we take a 10 from the tens place. Here left 7 and we get a 1 10 here, and this 6 add in a 1, it becomes 16. Now 16 minus 8 minus subtract from 16, so left 8 and 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Answer is 28. Now here is a 139 minus 110, so 9 minus 0 is equal to 9, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 237 plus 213, so 7 plus 3 is equal to 10, so we put a 0 here and 1 is carry over on tens place. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, so we write here 5 here, 2 plus 2 4. Now 325 minus 204, so 5 minus 4 is equal to 1, 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next is 474 minus 136. So 4 minus 6 is not possible, so we take a 10 from 7, 10, 70. Okay, here is left 6, here is a become 14. Now 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 and 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Next is 642 minus 413. So 2 minus 3 is not possible, so we take a 10 from tens place. Here left 3, here is a 1 and 2 means 12, right? Now 12 minus 3 is equal to 9, 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Next is 49 plus 20, so 9 plus 0 is equal to 9, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Answer is 69. Next is 135 plus 146, so 5 plus is equal to 11, so 1 is right on a ones place and 1 is carry over. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 4 8 8. Now here we write 8 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Answer is 281. So students, these are the solve the following sums. Now in the exam any sums come in your question paper, so do the practice of this all sum. Next question is complete the pattern. Next is complete the pattern. So students, look at this question in your notebook. Number pattern, complete the pattern means look at the numbers. Look at your example 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 means what doing here? It become 2, become 5, 5 become 8. So when we add 3 into 2 it become 5. So 5 answer is here. Now again complete the pattern means pattern complete करना है तो 5 में 3 ऐड करेंगे हम. यहाँ पे 3 ऐड किया तो यहाँ पे ऐड करा तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 8. Now again add 3 into 8 it become 11. Now 11 again add 3 so it become 14. Then what the next come? Right, again we add 3 into 14 it become 17. Right, so this is the method of complete the pattern. Now our question is complete the patterns. So here is a 2, here is a 4, here is a 6, here is a 8. So which number we adding here? It become 2 become 4, 4 become 6. So students, here we adding 2. So 2 plus 2 4. Now again we adding 2, so 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 again we add plus 2, so it become 8. Again we add 2, it become 10. Again we add 2, it become 12. Again we add 2, it become 14. And again we adding 2, it become 16. Okay, so this is our answer. Next 5, 10, 15, 20. So students, which number we adding here? 5 become 10, 10 become 15. Which number we add? Right, when we add 5, so 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 35, and 35 plus 5 is equal to 14. Right, here is a 40 answer come. Now next is 12A, 13B, blank, 15B, blank. Here is a number with the letters. Okay, number with the letters. So just think about, here is a A, here is a B, here is a D. So which letter come here? C. Right, A, B, C, D. Now here come E. Right, means our letter complete. Now going to number 12, 13, 15. So here is a come 14. 12, 13, 14, 15 and here come 16. Is that easy? Next 1, 11, 21. So think about which number come here. Right, 31, because we adding 10. 1 plus 10 is equal to 11. 11 plus 10 is equal to 21. 21 plus 10 is equal to 31. 31 plus 10 is equal to 41. 41 plus 10 is equal to 51. Next 6 blank, 18 blank, 30, 36. So students, which number come here? We adding 6 into 6. So we get the answer 12. When we add 6 into 12, we get the answer 18. So when we add 6 again into 18, we get the answer 24. Then we add 6 into 24, we get the answer 30, and 30 into add 6, it becomes 36. So this is our questions. Complete the patterns, finish. Next is find the hidden messages. Next question is find the hidden messages. मैंने जो message hidden है, छुपा हुआ है, उसे find करना. That is called the secret messages. That is also called secret messages. For example, look at here. Here you see one example of secret message. 1I, 2L, 3O, 4V, 5E, 6Y, 7O, 8U, 9. 0 no, here is that is the O. So look at here, which secret message is hidden in these numbers. So students, look at here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we cut this all, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now look at the letters I, L, O, B, E, Y, O, U. I love you. This is our secret message hidden in this series, right? Next is your question, find the hidden messages. So let's start to find. 3I, 3L, 3O, 3V, 3E, 3D, 3A, 3N, 3C, 3E. So here we see 3 3 3, the common number, so we cut the all 3 for finding the hidden message. Okay, now look at I, L, O, V, E, D, A, N, C, E. I love dance. So I love dance is hidden message. Okay, next look at here. Here we see 9L, 9O, 9O, 9K, 9A, 9T, 9T, 9H, 9E, 9M, 9O, 9O, 9N, 9. Okay, so students, what we doing? We got the all 9 for finding the hidden message, right? Now our message is LOOK, look at the MOON, moon, look at the moon. So students, this is our secret message. Now look at here, 1B, 1A, 1B, 1Y, 1I. So students, what we doing? We cut the all 1 1, then after finding the our hidden message. So look at here, BAB5 baby, IS is, LOVE love, LY lovely, baby is lovely, right? So this is our hidden message. Is that clear? So prepare this all and practice about this all questions. Next, section B. Figure out the rule for each and continue the pattern. So this question you are finding on page number 146. Look at here, 146. Figure out the rule for each and continue the pattern, means complete the patterns. ये pattern play with the pattern chapter है हमारा, जिसमें हमने पैटर्न सीखे थे कि पैटर्न कैसे कंप्लीट करने हैं. देखो यहाँ पे एरो गोइंग अप साइड, एरो गोइंग डाउन साइड, एरो गोइंग अप साइड, एरो गोइंग डाउन साइड. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड द पैटर्न. द रूल फॉर दिस पैटर्न इज देयर इज one girl after every 2 boys, then this is repeated. In this pattern there is 1 arrow up and 1 arrow down, then this is repeated. यानी जो पैटर्न है वो क्या होती है, बार बार रिपीट होती है. ओके, सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन, प्रैक्टिस टाइम. लुक एट हियर, देयर इज अ ब्लू pot, here is a red pot, here is a blue pot, here is a red pot. So here is a, which color pot come? Right, blue. Now here red pot come, here is a blue pot come. Look at the next, A, B, AAB. So AAB. Next, look at the petals. 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3. Here come 5 petals of flowers. Look at here. This blue, one is the blue triangle in this box and 3 are the green. But the pattern is one blue going upside. In the second time it going this side. Now here this going downside. Now here going this side. Now again it comes upside, then come this side, then in this here it come this side, right? Next, here we see the cap. Okay, so one cap is like this, second time it become like this, third time it become like this, fourth time it become like this, now again it become like this. So which had come here? Yes, just think about this and draw the pattern here, right? Next, morning, afternoon, evening, night. So here morning, afternoon, evening, night. So this is the pattern, right? These are the pattern. Also here is a growing pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But pattern, look at downside, upside, downside 2, upside 2, downside 3, upside 3, downside 4, upside 4, downside 5, upside 5. These are also the growing pattern. Next is number patterns. Number patterns is here. We have made some patterns with the pictures. We can make patterns with number 2 like 21, 41, 61, 81, 101. You know the next number, don't you? This is growing pattern. It can go on and on. So look at here. These are the pattern. Look for the rules and continue this growing pattern. रूल्स हमने यहाँ पे लिखे थे उस बार, राइट? जो हमने एक्सरसाइज की थी कि 51 में 5 ऐड करें तो 56 होता है. आगे भी हम कंप्लीट द पैटर्न में सीख चुके हैं. तो वैसे ही ये सब कंप्लीट द पैटर्न्स यहाँ पे दी है और ये यहाँ पे भी है. लुक एट द ग्रोइंग पैटर्न, फाइंड आउट व्हाट यू टू ऐड ईच अ नंबर टू गेट द नेक्स्ट वन. सो दीज आर द मेन क्वेश्चन ऑफ नंबर पैटर्न. Okay, so in the exam any question come from here in your question paper, so do the practice of all number patterns. Next question is how quick are you? Okay, how quick are you are on the page number 175. how quick are you, आप कितने फास्ट हो? Okay, divide into group of 2 using 2 time. Okay, मैंने 2 का ग्रुप बनाया है, देखो 2 टाइम करके. तो यहाँ पे है डिवाइड इनटू ग्रुप 5 यूजिंग 5 टाइम, डिवाइड यूजिंग 10 यूजिंग 10 टाइम, एंड ट्राई दिस ऑल्सो. ओके, सो फास्टली वी डू दिस. 18 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, so it become 9, right? 9 2s are 18. 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. 9 2s are 18. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 2 8s are 16. 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 2 10s are 20. So these are the question. Look at here. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. So 5 2s are 10. 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. So 5 4s are 20. तो ये टाइप से हो गया टेबल कंप्लीट. तो ये टेबल्स है आपके हाउ क्विक आर यू. इसमें से कोई भी टेबल्स डिवाइड इंटू ग्रुप ऑफ 2 आ सकता है, डिवाइड इंटू ग्रुप ऑफ 5 आ सकता है, या 10 आ सकता है, या फिर 7 का आ सकता है. कोई भी टेबल्स आपको एग्जाम में आ सकता है. इसलिए सब टेबल्स की सब ये जो है टेबल्स प्रैक्टिस आपको करनी है. नेक्स्ट इज एट द फॉलोइंग. एट द फॉलोइंग इज ऑन पेज नंबर 196. that come from rupees and paise. At the following, look at here. Here is a rupees and paisa, 12 rupees and 50 paise, 13 rupees and 00 paise. So we adding one by one. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But we put the 0 between rupees and paisa, right? 0 not point is most important for divide rupees and paisa. So don't forget to draw the point, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So like this method we complete this at the following question. And students, also add the following question in your notebook also. That one also will become in the exam. So must do the practice of this sum. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 means this 6, and these are the examples. Okay, so don't forget to learn and practice, do the practice of these questions. Is that clear? So students, here our section A and B was finished. In the next video we will continue in the next section. Thank you.